Hey everyone, and welcome to Geek-Dom.com. This is my first video tutorial, so there's going to be some mistakes, some typos, just bear with me. Probably some bad editing. Um, so today what I'm going to go over is doing a headless installation of Raspberry Pi. And what headless means is you're not hooking up a monitor, mouse, keyboard. The only thing you're doing is putting in an SD card, firing it up with the power cord, and getting it set up so that it automatically connects to your Wi-Fi and enables SSH. So first off, this is after you burn the image to your SD card. We're going to go in and modify some of the, or create some boot files. In this tutorial I'm using Buster Lite, and Lite is just the command line only version. That's what I mainly run. But this process will also work for the desktop version also. So with that, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is put that SD card into your computer. Now once you pop that SD card in, you'll probably get a warning for the secondary partition saying that you need to format it. Just cancel that. So open up Internet Explorer, not Internet Explorer, File Explorer, and we're going to look for the drive called boot. And here we're going to create a new file, a new text document. Yep. And we're going to give it the name of wpa_supplicant.conf. And once you hit enter, you will get the warning that you're changing the file format. That's perfectly fine. That's what we want. So now we're going to edit. And we're going to put the second part in, and this sets up your Wi-Fi region. It's going to put in your SSID, your name of your wireless. So change both the SSID and the line that says PSK, that's your Wi-Fi password. So once you have those put in, just hit save. Now we're going to go back and create another text document. This is not going to have any extension. So no .txt, no .conf. It's just going to be SSH. And what this does is it sets a flag first time it boots up to enable SSH. So with that, we need to know the IP address. So normally what I do is before I fire it up, I take a copy of all the IP addresses on my router, put that into an Excel document, and then afterwards I refresh. And that way I can find out quickly what the IP address is. And this is also handy doing it this way because you get the MAC address. So if you want to set up a static IP on your router for your Raspberry Pi, that way it always gets the same IP address. You're never having to go back and do this. So a little quick formatting here, and let's do a quick run. And it looks like Raspberry. .113. Cool. So now let's fire up PuTTY, or whatever your preferred terminal is. Pop that IP address in. And we're getting the warning because it's the first time we're connecting to it. And we're in. We haven't connected a monitor, keyboard, anything. And it's online and it's running. So let's go ahead and log in. Default password or username is Pi, P-I, all lowercase. Default password is Raspberry, again all lowercase, and we're in. So what you can do next here is do your sudo raspi-config, and now you can go through and change options such as your time zone, if you need to expand the SD card, whatever. So there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you learned something from it. If I get time, I will try to do the same video on a Mac. But if you guys have any comments, questions, please let me know. If you got something out of this, please hit the subscribe and like button down below. And see you guys next time. Thanks.